April 14th, 2012. Big wedge. Look at that. Look at the motion.